What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kenny, aka Texas 3IS, and today we are actually going to be hardwiring a dash cam. And this is not any regular dash cam. This is actually a 3-channel dash cam that has been sponsored to me by Wendy over at VANTRUE. So huge shout out to Wendy at VANTRUE for hooking this up for me and allowing me to show my followers the capabilities of this dash cam. This is a newly released dash cam by VANTRUE. This is their S2 model. So it is a 3-channel dash cam that has a 3-inch touchscreen. It has an exterior camera, an interior camera, and the rear view camera, and it all can be accessed through the screen. And it also has an app, so you can actually view your video footage from that also. So Wendy actually sent me this, and I just picked this up. It is the fuse tap kit with a voltage protection. So if the voltage gets below then the threshold, then it'll actually cut off the power to the dash cam so that your car can still have some juice to turn it back on. So yeah, let's get to unboxing this and then show y'all how to wire this up. Right away we have the owner's manual. It's pretty hefty, you might have to read into that later. And then there is the dash cam itself. This is the cable that goes from the main dash cam to the rear view. And the cool thing about this dash cam is everything is going to be in type C. So from camera to camera it's type C, from power to the camera is also type C. Before it was like the micro USB, which is very outdated. My old dash cam had that also. The rear view dash cam here, it's very tiny, very sleek, not going to be in the way of anything. And this is the cord that goes from the main dash cam to this little dash cam. I'm not exactly sure how long it is, but I'm pretty sure it'll reach. Here is the main dash cam here. They give you the 12-volt outlet, also a USB, I guess for updates and stuff like that. So yeah, here is everything out of the box. We have the dash cam itself, and this is the mount itself. It is supplied with 3M tape, and you actually plug the power cord into here, which is the USB type C, and it hooks into this way, so it clicks in, which is pretty cool, and detaches that way also, so that whenever you detach your camera, you don't have to worry about unplugging it. It just unplugs from the mount, which is pretty cool, very convenient compared to the old micro USB style. But this is a type C cable that goes from this camera to the rear view camera. The rear view camera is just a single lens there with 3M tape also. It is adjustable up and down, and it has the USB type C on the one end also. And it also comes with a plastic pry tool, which is exactly what we needed to tuck in the wires. So let's open this up, and basically this is just type C on one end, and then it has the positive and negative wires. So the negative is obviously ground, and then the positive will be in the fuse tap. Alright guys, so I just mounted the dash cam and tucked all the wires away. I just need to hardwire it is all that's left. Mounting it is not the hard part, it's just tucking the wires. I know some people leave the wires like dangling down across the dash and stuff like that, but there is actually quite some room inside of the headliner here. So you are able to tuck it in up here. So this wire that's sticking out on the top is actually wiring to the rear view camera. It's just tucked along the headliner here, along this pillar to this gap here, the weather seal. Then once we get to the seatbelt part, it's very hard to put your finger through here, or even with the plastic pry tool, it won't pry out because it's bolted. I just had to remove this plastic piece right here. You could just grab it from the side and pull it out. It's right by the seatbelt buckle. Across this seatbelt, up and around the weather strip again, across that pillar back there, and the dash cam just sticks out right there with the wire all tucked inside of the headliner. So yeah, pretty simple, just follow through, don't let any of your wires show or dangle. And now we can wire the power. Now we can get our hardwiring kit here. One end is the USB type C cable, which goes straight to the dash cam, and then the other end has this voltage protector here. So we don't need to, technically we don't have to mount this anywhere, we could just tuck it away inside the footwell there. And then on this end it'll have the ground, so we just got to ground it to the metal contact points on the vehicle. And then this is a positive, so inside of the kits it comes with fuse taps, so we just use the correct fuse, plug it in here, and then just plug it into whichever fuse we want that powers on whenever the vehicle turns on and turns off when the vehicle turns off, or just plug it into one that is on 24/7, which is what I'm gonna do. So once you wire it through the pillar and straight down this way, I found my ground to be the one that I always use in every other video. I grounded it right there. You can follow this black wire that I have moving right here to that bolt. And then mine is plugged into a 10 amp fuse, which is the ECU. The one closest to the front door is actually in this corner. The 10 amp ECU-B, which keeps it running 24/7. Basically, when the car is off, the dash cam will be on. As you can see, the car is off and the dash cam is running right there and actually recording. If you don't want it to run 24/7, you can actually tap it to a different fuse. It's going to be down this middle column here, and it would be ignition number 1, which is a 10 amp fuse. And there we have it. The dash cam is hardwired, as you could see. I've had plenty of dash cams. Some have failed, and the previous one I had just only recorded the front, so it makes me feel way more comfortable that I have pretty much a 360 camera. This dash cam in particular is very sleek. I mean, I know the front one is kind of large, but you won't be able to see it once the mirror is back up in its original position. And then the rear view one is also very, very tiny back there. You can't even see it, but yeah, pretty cool from VANTRUE. Brand new dash cam that is 3 channels and touchscreen. Has capabilities of sending footage and photos to your phone over Wi-Fi using their app. Mainly just wanted to show you guys how to hardwire the dash cam. This goes for any dash cam. It doesn't matter if it's a single channel, dual channel, 3 channel. Installation will be the same. I just wanted to show you how to tuck in all the wires and make it look clean, and also how to hardwire it to your fuse box so it can stay on for 24/7, or even if you want it just to run whenever the vehicle is on. That is pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple install. Huge shout out to VANTRUE again. Thank you, Wendy, for reaching out to me and sending me the product. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright guys, so before the video actually ends, I do have to do my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So huge thank you to everyone that has subscribed so far. I could not imagine coming this far, and can't imagine where this will actually take me. Just a small thanks from me to you guys. I am actually doing a giveaway. I do have 3 different prizes, so there will be 3 different winners. And I know not everyone that subscribed to me has a Lexus IS, even though I am a Lexus IS based YouTuber, I guess you would say for now. But first place is pretty universal. Second and third is solely for Lexus IS. But anyone can win it if you want to give it away or sell it, whatever you want to do. It's yours. You want it fair and square. I'm not gonna change the raffling or anything like that. To enter, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, obviously, and then leave in the comments below, congrats on 2K. Simple. Some of these prizes are actually pretty expensive, so if you want additional entries to this giveaway, you can purchase something on NSPIRE.shop today or on the drop day, which is August 13th, Saturday. Every dollar you spend will give you 5 times more entries. So if you buy something that's $25, you'll get 25 times 5 entries, literally. And I'm not sure how you wouldn't win anything. But yeah, you can buy an air freshener or a sticker or anything small, and I'll just multiply the dollar by 5 and put your name that many times into the raffle. Just a little sneak peek of what's coming up. I'll show it on the screen right now. There's going to be plate frames, air fresheners, new t-shirts, Nobori flags, everything pretty much. So for first place prize, we have NSPIRE plate frame and Auxito headlight bulb of your choice. So I have both of these prizes here right now, and these are the newly unreleased plate frames. It's going to be raised lettering and in chrome. Quality is pretty sick. It has our website link on top and the OG logo on the bottom here. So yeah, you have a chance to win this. You can also purchase this to enter for the giveaway if you'd like. And then the Auxito headlight bulbs. I mean, I'm holding the fog lights right now, but I can get you any bulb of your choice, any size, any color, or just any bulb you want. So interior bulbs, license plate, or the headlights, because these are the most expensive. Perfect for a daily if you don't have a 3IS. I know 3IS you can't change the bulbs, but any 2IS, 1IS, or anything older that can change bulbs, these are pretty nice. And I actually have some footage of my friend Javier purchasing some bulbs from me, and he did the whole shebang on his truck. It looks amazing, looks more modern than literally turns your O2 into an O3. Like, what else can I say? For second place, we actually have Tanzo Works sequential LED mirror signals, and these ones are tinted. As you can see, these are unused. Just peel it back for you guys to see. It's tinted lens. These have the amber dancing or chasing light on here whenever you signal or unlock your car or even turn on your hazards. This is pretty cool. It's all straight plug and play, as you can see there. No wires, nothing to tap to. And second place will also receive a NSPIRE windshield banner. We do have multiple color choices on the website, so you just pick from there and let me know if you are selected to win this. So yeah, second place, Tanzo Works tinted sequential LED mirror lights and an NSPIRE banner, color of your choice. And third place is pretty similar to second place, except these sequential lights are actually the clear lens. So third place will win these, and then a carbon fiber wide trim that's 3M tape. I actually got this a while back, but I never installed it, so if you like this, you can have it. But yeah, this is straight plug and play also, but it's just a clear lens and it still dances amber. Even if you win third place, you could still tint these if you wanted the tinted ones. The only difference is that one is dark and one is clear. That is pretty much it for the prizes, guys. I just want to refresh on how to enter. All you have to do is subscribe, leave in the comments below. Congrats on 2K, congrats on 2,000 subscribers, whatever, something like that. And that's pretty much it. That'll give you one entry into the giveaway. So I'll be clicking spin the wheel on the first place, second place, and third place. But if you want additional entries into the giveaway, all you have to do is go to NSPIRE.shop, purchase something from there. I will multiply the dollar amount that you spend and multiply it by 5, and then that will be how many entries additional you will get into the giveaway. Also, if you do that additional entries, there's a little notes or comments section of the purchase. Just leave in that section Kenny, literally just leave my name in there, and then I will get you entered and multiply your entries in. Once again, thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. It is really unbelievable that I've gotten this far and that I can help people on this platform, you know? Good luck to everyone. Thanks. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.